Hello and welcome to this simple yoga flow for tight shoulders and neck. As when you're ready, coming through to your seated position, that may be staggered or traditional cross legs. And as you begin to arrive, palms onto the thighs, we're just going to take a gentle sway or spiral. And we can take the shoulders over the sit bones. And we'll begin to take the arms shoulder height. We're going to give ourselves a hug, left arm on top. We're going to aspire to mirror. As we take the hug, we're going to tuck and round, elbows coming in towards the heart. And then we'll take the elbows up. And we're going to begin to straighten that left arm, right arm, hand coming along the upper arm, maybe the forearm. Starting in a diagonal, so the shoulders are staying over the hips. We can stay here or we can take it further, so taking a twist. We'll begin to release, cactusing, opening up the chest. Hands beginning to rise, and we'll take the hands back in front, right arm on top, tucking and rounding. Lifting the elbows, bring to straighten that right arm diagonal, and then maybe we begin to explore your twist. What's great is this can take place anywhere. You don't need much space. We'll begin to release in cactus, opening up. As the fingertips begin to rise, we're going to drip that right hand down towards the earth, left hand coming onto that right temple, taking a gentle neck stretch. Now softening that left shoulder. Right hand can stay. Maybe it begins to travel towards the back of the space. Maybe we bind back of the hands to the lower back. We'll begin to stack the head, left hand coming up towards the sky, and then we're going to invite the left fingertips towards that right collarbone. Walking the right hand away and beginning to lift the left elbow, and then tucking it back down. Begin to unfurl, taking the arms up, and we'll cactus. Right hand beginning to rise, left hand towards the earth. Maybe taking that right hand towards the left temple. Again, making any choices for that left hand. Taking the right hand up, stacking the head, inviting the right fingertips towards that left collarbone, beginning to walk. Lifting the right elbow, and then taking it back down. We'll begin to take both arms up overhead. We'll cactus. Hands rising. We'll begin to take the hands behind us. Pretend pockets are interlacing the hands, opening up the chest. Beginning to hinge. It might be a shallow hinge. A few of you may get to the forehead. Begin to lift the torso, releasing the hands, taking them up overhead. Like a gentle ragdoll, hands opposite wrists or elbows. So we're going to begin to tilt. So as we tilt, just ensuring that left elbow isn't caving in. So we're leading with the right elbow. Left sit bone staying in contact with the earth. We'll come back through. And then we'll take on the opposite side, leading with the left elbow. And lifting. Hands rising. We'll begin to fold. Hands coming down towards the earth, melting down. As we melt, we're going to take the hands slightly wider than shoulder width and begin to sway. Tensing up the fingertips, releasing the head. And then we'll begin to slide or walk the hands back towards our lap. Tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. coming through to a cow. Gaze coming forward. Imagine space coming between the collarbones and the chin. Just move between these two poses 3 rounds. And coming back through center. We'll begin to take the hands to the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for taking this short practice. So thank you for joining me for this brief practice for tight shoulders and neck. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again.